In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove in and out markers in Davinci Resolve in just a few seconds. Whether you're new to video editing or just looking to enhance your skills with Davinci Resolve, this tutorial will guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Davinci Resolve on your computer. For those unfamiliar, Davinci Resolve is a professional-grade video editing software from Blackmagic Design, renowned for its powerful capabilities and user-friendly interface. Once the program is up and running, the next step is to select the project you want to work on. If you already have a project in mind, great. Otherwise, you can create a new project or choose an existing one from your library. Now that your project is open, it's time to locate the markers you wish to remove. Navigate to the top menu where you'll see the option labeled Mark. This menu is essential because it contains all the commands needed to manage your in and out points, among other important selections. Click on Mark to reveal the drop-down menu. In this menu you'll find numerous options, but today our focus is on the in and out markers. The in and out points are typically used to define a specific segment of your video timeline for editing. If you've marked the wrong segment or simply need to start fresh, it's crucial to get rid of those markers. To do this, you'll select the option that says Mark In and Out. This command is designed to remove both the in and the out points simultaneously, saving you time and ensuring precision. Once you click on this option, you should see the markers disappear from your timeline, offering a clean slate for your next editing moves. As a tip, be mindful that clearing these markers is a permanent action. If you're in the middle of a complex edit, it might be helpful to create a backup or note your time codes before removing them to avoid losing track of where you are in the edit. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently remove in and out markers in Davinci Resolve. Whether you're trimming clips or making more refined edits, managing your timeline markers effectively is key to maintaining a smooth workflow. We hope you found this guide helpful and that these insights enhance your editing experience. If you enjoyed this tutorial and wish to learn more about Davinci Resolve or other editing software, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and happy editing.